Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a look at this brand new 2019 Sailfish 245 Dual Console. The Dual Console is a great setup. It gives you really kind of a dual purpose fishing and family. I'll show you why once we step aboard. We're on the swim platform of the 250 SLX. Great seating area. It does have the flip up seats. You can see that nice white interior, really looks good. We also have the speakers back here, so when you're entertaining your guests or you're having that fun out on the water with your family, you get that nice premium sound quality. We're going to take a walk into the cockpit of the boat. Welcome aboard the cockpit of the 245 Dual Console. Again, really a great dual purpose boat. As you can see right now, we have all the seating out. Great for entertaining family, having friends on the boat, doing some dinner cruises. Maybe you're going to watch the fireworks or the air show around here. Really able to seat a lot of people. And then very simply, I can just fold these seats all up and out of the way. And then we have this nice open cockpit design, great for fishing. You can fit a couple of guys back here, enjoy that day out on the water with your friends catching those fish. As we continue forward, again, you can see the versatility of the Dual Console with all the seating options. Up here at the helm station, we do have the 10-inch Garmin screen. Everything for the captain is right at the push of his fingertips, easy to access, gives him great maneuverability. Another good thing about this captain area, you do have really those 360 views all around, so it gives that captain full control of the boat. The head station on the 245 Dual Console, very large, freshwater sink in there. You do have some cup holders and some storage as well. As we continue forward up to the bow, again, nice dual purpose, kind of gives you that bow rider option where you can have some family up here. Very safe, very deep in the boat. You got the recessed grab rails. Just a great option, great thing for family and fishing. Do have an anchor locker up here as well as the pop-up bow light that gives you really no snags or anything, so something to catch your line on while you're out on the day. Thank you for taking the walkthrough with us of this 245 Dual Console. Again, my name is Bill Herr. If you'd like to see this boat in person, you can call us and schedule an appointment. You can reach us at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.